Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to our Tools India. I'm Rahul and in this video we'll continue the cap chain mode. This is the second video of this mode. If you haven't watched the first video, I'm adding the link at the top. You can watch the first video. Okay, and if you want to watch this video in Hindi language, I'm adding a link in description. You can watch this video in Hindi also. Okay, so let's start. In the previous video, we have done the alignment, analysis, we have added the shrinkage also, and the pattern is also done. In today's video, we'll try to design the cavity insert and core insert. Okay, so let's start. Okay, first I'm creating the sketch, the size of cavity insert. Okay, so rectangle like this, open sketching task environment. Okay, next symmetric, this center, reset, top bottom center. Okay, and how much stock you need? Outside stock. Okay, depends, like if you want to add the cooling lines also there, so you can leave the stock. Okay, depends, like if you want to add the cooling lines there, you can give the stock. Okay, so what I'm doing, I'm taking a random size. Like what I want to take minimum 30 mm stock per side. Okay, so suppose I'm making this 150 and this 250. Now I'm measuring the size, like the stock, this stock. Okay, like see, sometimes like we're not able to select the corners. How? See, like dimension from outer to this. See, I'm not able to pick the outer of the curve. Okay, in this case what you can do, you can just use the project curve. From here, project curve, I want to project this curve, the parting line. Okay, and okay, and the dimension, this outer, how much? 23. Okay, it's less, I'm increasing this 270. Now let's see again, 33. This is okay for me. Okay, 270 I can use, 270, 275, 265 you can also use, no issue. Okay, and this, let's see, 35. This is also okay for me. Okay, so this I'm fixing the size 270 and 150. Okay, finish. Okay, so this is the sketch, and I don't need this curve now. Okay, so delete this, I don't need this. Finish. Okay, so next thing is offset surface. I'm picking one using the color filter and inherit this color. Okay, and offsetting at 0. Okay, 0 0. Okay, Control L, hiding the parts, easy. Okay, next thing is extrude this. So you can use single curve also, region boundary curves also you can use. Okay, I'm using single. Okay, and the height, like how much the part is going inside. See, this is around 5 mm, very less. Okay, so 25 I'm taking, 20 mm stock I'm leaving after the cavity, total 25 I'm taking. Okay, and finish. You can include this sketch inside the extrude if you want. Okay, I'm using it, make sketch internal, sketch is gone. Okay, so next thing is we'll use the patch. You have the options, like the first option is just convert this into solid and then subtract it. Okay, from the cavity insert. Next option is directly you can use the patch. Patch is a nice command, like I always use this. Okay, so I'm like now you have options like you can first convert this into solid and subtract this from cavity insert. First option you have. Second option is you can directly remove this from the insert by using trim or patch. Patch is a nice command. I always use this patch. Okay, audit this, tool this. See, the sheet is also gone. Okay, okay. So first cavity is done. Okay, Control L. Second. Okay. Now let's copy all the cavities. Okay. So solid body, hiding this. Okay, and I'm using the pattern face. In the pattern face, you can use general. I usually use this like general. Okay, and the point. Control Shift K. I'm bringing the part back. Okay, point. So I'm using single point, like suppose any point you can choose in the part. Okay, suppose I'm choosing this point, and here same point I'm choosing here. Done na? Same here also. Same. Here and here. Okay. Okay. So 8 cavities are done. Let's see. Control L, hiding the parts, and these are done. Okay. If you want to check, you can check. Control Y. Control Shift K. Control L. Okay. So at the back side, face. Control J. Transparency. Now C. Okay, na? So general is better always. Okay, I mostly use this. Okay, one side I'm choosing for the chamfer. This symmetric 10, 15 you can add, no problem. Okay, okay. Now the blend. Eight, 10, okay, no problem. Okay, this is done. Okay, Control J, Control J, this green color. Okay, now this is the cavity. Again, Control J, placing this on third. Okay, third layer. Okay, Control L, this F2. This is the cavity insert. Okay, okay. Now by using this cavity insert, we'll go for the core insert also. Okay, or you can use the same method. You can use the same method. Okay, so hiding this again, subtraction you can do. First option you have, and the second option is same method you can use, offset the faces and patch. Okay, so I'm using the second option. Okay, offset surface, color filter. Okay, and inherit this color. Okay, and all the faces 0 0. Okay, Control L. Okay, so this is the 4 faces. Control Shift K, nothing here. Control L. Okay, this is the part. This is the part. Okay, so cavity insert. I'm using the edges, the same size I want na. That's why. Tangent, reverse direction. Okay, so how much this is including? Like lump sum 16 mm. So right now I'm taking it 40, not fixing it, okay, 40 50 will take. Okay, but I'm not fixing it. Okay, because we need to add a separate insert from backside. How we'll add that we'll discuss in more videos. Okay, so okay, Control L, hiding the cavity. Now same method I'm using. surface, patch, this. Okay. Now the pattern face, these are the faces I need. Okay, and the point, Control L to bringing all the parts, and any point I'm choosing again from this part first. Okay, so suppose I'm using this point, center I'm using. Okay, here also center, this, and this. Okay, Control L, second. See, the core are also created, but the negative is how we machined. See, Control J, first I'm placing this on 4, color to blue. Okay, 4, this is F2, 4, insert. Okay, and see, machining cavity is easy. See, there's no undercut, everything is okay. But see, in the core, if I'm cutting section and plane, point and direction, center point I need. Okay, and this, see, this undercut. How we machine this? This is impossible to machine. So for this we need to remove this center insert. Okay, in the next video we'll create a separate core sub insert. Okay, so this is okay. Yeah, this looks fine. Okay, one more thing I'm adding the fittings also. Okay, I'm adding the fittings also. Okay, so let's see, extrude at the top and rectangle I'm using. Okay, or you can use 2 lines also, no issue. Here to there and here to there. Okay, and you can mirror this. Okay, so first I'm using, you can use rectangle also, you can use square also. Okay, so geometry constant, equal length, this. Okay, and this 25, this is enough, I think. 30, 35, 30 I'm using. Okay, and mirror. So where's mirror curve, this here also, and again this, these 4 corners I'm using. Okay, and finish. Okay, so curves, this and this. Okay, height I'm taking 5, 6, 7 normal you can take. Okay, and unite. No, I'm not uniting it. Okay, I need to do something first. So 7 also, 8 also you can take, no issue. Okay, so I'm using 7 and okay. First I'm adding the offset where, see, offset face, this, the reverse 0.5 only. I don't want this face to rub my cavity plate, that's why I'm adding this from the backside only, Okay, and now I'm adding the draft. So draft, let's see, Z is okay. Station face, this face is to draft. This this, and this. Okay. The last thing is blend. Okay. 10, 12, no issue. Okay. And unite. Last thing is unite. Okay. So I want to add this fitting in the cavity insert also. Okay, let's see. This is the cavity insert. Subtract. Target tool. Okay. Here I'm having issue. Let's see, 0.02. Gone. Okay. Okay. So this is the cavity. Okay. So I'm removing all the faces. Okay, using the replace face. Okay, replacement till here. I'm using tangent. Okay, and which faces? Like these faces I need. Tangent again. Gone. 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 And this also gone. Draft is there. Okay. And what's the need of this fitting? This fitting will stop the jerking. This fitting will stop the jerking of the mold. This is very important. When the plastic is filling in the mold, so much pressure is there. So this mold starts jerking, vibrating. So this fitting avoids that, stops that. Okay, so that's it for today's video. In this video, we have created the cavity insert and the core insert, and we have added the fitting also. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe Artist Tools India. And if you want to learn plastic mold designing from me, I'm adding a link in description. You can contact me. Thank you for watching.